If you're looking for a fun idea for the holidays or something to do with the kids, you're going to love this Bakery Bling designer cookie house. And this one is called Santa's Surf Shack. But the company also makes various themes that are super, super cute. It's got all the pieces involved to make the cookies. So first it's got 2 packs of these cookies to use as walls of the house. It's got a pack of yellow frosting mix right here. It's got some cute decorations. We've got a palm tree, Santa, and a few other little objects that makes it really cute. It's got green and yellow sprinkles like this, and then it's got some little red dots. So you can put it all together and make it into that house. I'm not going to do it myself right now because then otherwise I'd have to eat the whole thing. But I think it's a really, really cute idea for the holidays or as a gift. Bakery Bling also has these really cute sugars. They're like sparkly sugars. So this one is gold. This one is called Pink Voltage. Like that. And then this one is called mistletoe. There's a variety that you can choose from, so it makes decorating for the holidays fun.